Why do you think this meeting between Donald Trump and Narendra Modi is so important?
Now Modi ji is coming from France. He attended the AI meeting, and Modi ji recently Trump has also announced the 500 million for the AI setup infrastructure here. So India is going to grab that opportunity, and we are hoping that we partner each other and making miracles in the AI.
You think the people, especially the Indian Americans, are a great force between the India-America ties and relationship?
Can you come again?
The Indian Americans are a big force here. They are important behind the India-American ties.
Yes, obviously, because many of us, we know that in the technology, most of them are from India. So hope it brings a lot of change in the AI era. Thank you.
Where are you from? You've come all the way to welcome Prime Minister Modi.
Alexandria, Virginia. My name is Suniti Sharma. Well, मैं भारत में पंजाब से हूँ. मेरा upbringing पंजाब से हुआ है. And I see Modi ji as my inspiration for everything. When I came about 8 years ago when I was here, and everybody's saying like there's so much corruption and everything.
आपको लगता है तस्वीर बदल दी है?
अरे हाँ हमें पूरे का पूरा we feel proud while we tell people we are from India. In the past they used to tell us you are from the corrupt country, right?
अच्छा, अब नहीं बोलते हैं, अब वो बदल गया है?
अब नहीं बोलते, नहीं. अब उनको I was one of the people who was saying नहीं, we will have a leader who will bring in change. And जब मेरी बेटी हुई, she was when Modi ji came in as a first prime minister, so my daughter her first word was Modi. Yes. So yes, तो उनका जो हमारे लिए he is the biggest inspiration.
तो भारत से दूर जो भारतीय अमेरिका में रह रहे हैं, उनके लिए प्रधानमंत्री की मौजूदगी और उनका यहाँ आना बहुत महत्व रखता है.
बिल्कुल.
आप कह रही हैं कि छोटी बच्ची भी उनका नाम ले रही थी. यहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि जो ट्रम्प एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, जो अभी फिर से आए हैं, वो नरेंद्र मोदी को उसी तरह का सम्मान दे रहे हैं? देखिए, आने के 3 हफ्ते में ही उनको निमंत्रण गया.
जी बिल्कुल. I see Modi ji as we all see Modi ji as one of the visionary, not only for India but for the world. He's a global leader who is thinking beyond India. और भारत को, जिनका विजन ही भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाना है. So what can go beyond that? Right? तो उसके लिए we are optimistic. We are optimistic in his leadership and the reforms he has introduced, to the extent that we feel proud. In all the accomplishments those have achieved in area of defense, in area of bringing in reforms in all areas. There are so many segments to count on, but you guys are all aware more than I am. Right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. आप ये जो उत्साह मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये अमेरिका में रहने वाले भारतीयों का उत्साह है. मैं ज़रा आपको दिखा देती हूँ. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
हम वर्जीनिया से आया, Ashburn से. That weekdays and it's a working day, but the weather is also not good. But we want to welcome, our beloved Indian Prime Minister. Even though we are Americans, but भारतीय प्रधानमंत्री है ना, हमारा द जन्मभूमि है ना, तो वेलकम करना पड़ेगा ना. इनको अतिथि ऐसा आ रहा है ना अमेरिका को.
तो कैसे वेलकम करेंगे?
We all are excited to, so we have been waiting here for last 1.5 years to welcome our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So as you can see, it's totally cold over here. It snowed yesterday, but we didn't really care about it because all we, everybody who is here is so excited to see Narendra Modi ji as he's gonna meet the 47th President of United States, Donald Trump.
भारत माता के, भारत माता के, जय जय माता, भारत माता.
आप लोग यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं?
हम इधर आए क्योंकि हमको नरेंद्र मोदी से मिलना है.
अच्छा, वो मिलने आएंगे आपसे?
हाँ.
अच्छा, कॉन्फिडेंस देखिए. ये मुझे लगता है संदेश और प्यार तो हम आपका पहुँचा ही देंगे. लेकिन you've come to meet Prime Minister Modi?
Yes.
Do your parents speak about him at home?
Yes.
He's being tutored. Do you tutor him at home as well?
Yes.
Beautiful. Raise the flag high. Very nice. So, why have you come here?
To see Modi,
Who is Modi?
India's Prime Minister.
Okay. So, who is he going to be meeting here?
Huh?
Is he meeting someone here?
He's meeting everyone who's here.
Oh, he's surely going to be meeting you.
Yep.